Good morning. This presentation analyzes the key results and strategic insights derived from the recent Tour Hero experiment, which aimed to automate the trip planning process. This analysis is based on interviews I conducted with the project team and their subsequent findings. We'll review the achieved efficiencies, the technical friction points discovered, and my personal recommendations for future strategy and growth. The core business challenge, as explained by the team, was mitigating the friction caused by mandatory human led planning call. This step was consuming critical business development resources while slowing down the conversion funnel. The project goal was straightforward prove that a fully digital self serve flow could perform comparatively better than the human intervention model. The primary measure of success was whether the published rate of trips improved or remained steady without the planning call. Validated the hypothesis. The self serve model successfully matched or improved conversion performance. While the traditional model achieved a 13% published rate from the first call, the minimally guided Group A hit 19%, and Group B achieved a 16%. Overall conversion rate for Group A surged to 41% compared to the old flow's 32%. This quantitative outcomes proved that leads responded positively to autonomy and speed. The financial case is clearly strong. The digital model proves direct cost savings and enables higher potential volume by reducing the workload on the business development team. However, the experiment revealed critical friction points. We observed errors like AI intent misclassification, which led to frustrating loops, and common no match scenarios when the user constraints exceeded the platform's capacity. Crucially, the minimally guided Group A exposed product gaps that had previously been hidden behind the planning call, indicating where future product tuning must focus to mitigate revenue leakage. My primary reflection from analyzing this data is that user autonomy is one of the strongest drivers of conversion. A clear flow translates to speed and engagement. Secondly, I realized that guidance is not a luxury, but a strategic tool. It bridges the gap as the product matures. The performance of minimally guided group taught me the vital lesson that exposing raw product fiction is essential for long-term scalability. Finally, the efficiency gain confirms that our future focus must be on elevating the human role. The business development team should be strategic partners, not flow administrators. Analysis of user drop-offs, my suggestion is for a redo center on proactive support and error mitigation. We need to implement a strong alternative system to catch users before they hit the frustration of a no-match scenario. Crucially, instead of lengthy initial videos, I would integrate mini inflow tutorials to deliver precise micro guidance right when the user needs it. And finally, we must set up the system to automatically trigger a proactive business development nudge when the analytic detects a user that is clearly struggling, ensuring human intervention as something strategic and not a routine. To truly maximize the value of this self serve flow, we must leverage AI and machine learning to build a self optimizing system. This technology can provide predictive friction detection, allowing us to intervene before the user abandons the process. Enhancements to the AI interfacing will reduce technical errors like misclassification. Furthermore, machine learning models provide continuous optimization by learning precisely which flow elements drive conversion and enabling predictive scoring of high potential, ensuring the business development team focuses their strategic time effectively. The strategic implication of this experiment extends far beyond travel. It applies to any industry suffering from call dependency. For financial services, this means automating guided loan applications and compliance, like streamlining reusable AML and KYC processes needed for fund tokenization. For small tech startups, the model provides a lifeline to scale leaner by automating high frequency, low risk administrative tasks such as expense reporting and payment processing. This principle also transforms sales, automating the top of funnel lead generation tasks currently done manually, allowing human reps to focus only on closing complex deals. This shift supports the twin pillars of data monetization. Internally, it aligns with the reduced cost pathway by automating processes and improving efficiency. Externally, it is a form of indirect monetization, where data is used not just to sell raw assets, but to enhance existing services like servicing or wrapping. By building a structured flow, we create invaluable data streams for internal enhancement, supporting competitive advantage. This successful automation serves as a foundational input for future strategic work on defining key performance indicators for data evaluation and developing economic models for data sharing platforms. In conclusion, the Tour Hero self-serve project successfully validated the shift toward digital autonomy, proving it drives conversion while providing significant cost savings. The core learning is that this model positions the entire business for long-term scale and elevates our human resources. My final suggestion is that future investments must be prioritized on leveraging AI and machine learning to systematically solve the exposed friction points, maximizing conversion and minimizing future revenue leakage. And that would be all for today. Thank you so much for watching.